Meena Dabar. I am the marketing director of Condé Nast India. So I look after marketing, events, PR, and a whole lot of other stuff. As you may already know, Condé Nast has 4 magazines in India. So there's Vogue, which is really our flagship brand. There's GQ, there's Condé Nast Traveller, and there's Architectural Digest. So that's really the bouquet of magazines we have in India. What we're doing here is really celebrating the Vogue Wedding Show. So as you may have already heard, the Vogue Wedding Show is a 3-day wedding exhibition that we do in Delhi. This time it's on the 7th, 8th, 9th of August. And it is probably, I would say, one of the most exclusive, luxurious and discerning kind of wedding exhibition that we've pulled together. This is the 3rd year that we are doing it. It has India's top 10 designers, jewelers from across the country, wedding planners, gifting services, and probably everything that you would want to create your dream magical wedding, everything under one roof. So what we're really celebrating here is kind of like a precursor or a curtain raiser to the Vogue Wedding Show. This is actually the first time Vogue has come to Dubai. The first ever event that we are doing in Dubai. It's called the Vogue Bridal Studio. And what we really do at the Bridal Studio is introduce people of the city to the concept of the Vogue Wedding Show, and also introduce them, or give them a chance to interact with one of the designers who's going to be present at the Vogue Wedding Show. So in this case, obviously it is Manish Malhotra. He's probably the most loved Indian designer in Dubai, so we thought it made much more sense to kind of bring him to Dubai. Actually, to be fair, it was his idea to come to Dubai and kind of create this experience. So he kind of showcased some of his looks for the different functions that one could wear at a wedding, a mehndi, a cocktail, and so on and so forth. And then, of course, there was an interesting chat between Priya, who's our editor, and Manish for the next 20 minutes. So that's what we are doing here.
Actually, you pretty much answered 2 of my other questions, which is why Manish Malhotra and why Dubai?
So I'll answer why Dubai, because that's quite important to us. So like I told you, we started the Vogue Wedding Show 2 years ago. This is our 3rd year. We were very clear that in the Vogue Wedding Show, we wanted to get families who had weddings from all across the country. So last year we had people from probably every corner of India: Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, Calcutta, Chandigarh, Jodhpur, so on and so forth. And what we realized is that there were a lot of families who actually came from Dubai, Thailand, Hong Kong, and even London. So we realized that there was an interest in the Vogue Wedding Show kind of setup in places where there are pockets of large NRI population, and quite frankly the closest and probably the largest population existed in Dubai. So that's why we decided to do the bridal studio in Dubai.
Yeah, because I'm wondering why only bridal. Is there, any other part of, resort, for instance, that you'd want to, at some point in the future, experiment with or explore and bring it to Dubai?
So for us, the anchor of our entire plan is really currently the Vogue Wedding Show, which is really the big kind of event that we have organized in Delhi. And since this was a precursor or a curtain raiser for the Vogue Wedding Show, it made sense to anchor this event in bridal wear. Obviously, depending on what our conversation is and what we are talking about the next time, there could be hundreds of different things that we could do.